Hey DIY family, and welcome back to our channel Hacked by Ebanks. I'm Sasha, and today we're going to talk about 5 ways you can upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. Hey guys, I just want to start by saying thank you so much for the support, the comments, and liking our videos, finding us on Instagram and writing to us. We really appreciate this type of feedback because it keeps us making content. Now, DIY and home renovations and home improvement is something that we love to do, but it's very difficult sometimes to make videos and to make content. When we get the feedback, it really pushes us to continue to create the content, because we're always doing DIY, but it's not always fun to create the content. So thank you guys, and keep watching, keep following us, and keep supporting us. So let's jump right into why we're here. We are about to talk about how you can upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. And I'm just going to give you 5 ways in which you can upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank. As you know, we renovated our kitchen last year. It was a lot of work. It took a lot of time, and it was a very expensive venture. And because of that, we decided that we wanted to do a lot of the work ourselves. And so if you haven't checked out those videos, we have an entire series on renovating our kitchen, so you can go ahead and check those out. Leave us a comment as usual, guys. Tell us what you think. We like to get feedback, so go ahead and let us know, because we don't know everything. We try to do as much research as possible so that when we're creating content or doing anything in our home as well, we kind of know exactly what we need to do, what we need, and what we're going to do to get the outcome that we want. All right, let's jump right into talking about the 5 things. So number 1 on the list is painting your kitchen cabinets. Now, maybe you have older kitchen cabinets, maybe you have some wood cabinets that you don't love. Maybe you liked them 6 years ago, but they're a little bit out of fashion now, or maybe they're not to your current taste. Style changes and your tastes and likes also evolve. So what you can do to spruce those up without ripping out the entire kitchen is to just put a few coats of paint over them in a color that you love. Now guys, please remember to sample the paint before you paint all of your kitchen and then you decide that you don't like it anymore. Sample, test out the colors, play with the colors, and ensure that you're putting on a color that you're going to love for years to come because it's really hard work to paint your kitchen cabinets. Now, this is something that you can contract out. You can get somebody to come in and paint it for you, or you can do it yourself by buying the specific paint for cabinets, or simply buying a satin finish or eggshell finish paint to cover your cabinets. What we usually like to do when we paint furniture is to put a coat of polyurethane over it, which is like a clear finish, to help with the durability of the paint and to help it to resist scratches and scuffs. That's a great way that you can upgrade your kitchen. This really changes the look of your kitchen dramatically. Number 2 on the list is to upgrade a light fixture. Sometimes we have just the sockets in our homes and no fancy light fixture. Sometimes adding a pendant light, or maybe adding some recessed lighting, or adding any type of sconce, any type of light fixture can really change the look of a room. We did this when we were upgrading our kitchen. We changed out the panel lighting for recessed lights, and trust me, it looks so awesome. So that is something you can consider doing as well. There are places that sell light fixtures in Kingston. Some of them have constant discounts and deals and sales where you can go and find a light fixture that is to your taste and to your liking. But trust me guys, this really improves the look of your home, and it also adds value. Number 3 on the list, upgrading your kitchen faucet. Now, many of us might have kitchen faucets that are pretty outdated, but they are functional, and so we don't see why we need to change it. If you're thinking about sprucing up your space and making your kitchen feel a little bit more like the you know, the 2020 you, then changing out the kitchen faucet is a really good idea and a really good move to make. You can find faucets in and around Kingston and around Jamaica, or online you can purchase them and bring them in. We have done that before based on pricing because these items can get a little bit costly, so we try to save money where we can because we do have a big renovation going on. This is something that you can consider doing, and it will really upgrade the look of your kitchen. Number 4 on the list is changing your kitchen hardware. Now, sometimes you look at it and you say, well, the hardware is functional and it doesn't need to be changed. But if you're thinking about upgrading your space, this is something you need to consider. Hardware can be expensive, as well as you can find affordable hardware online and in various stores. So go ahead and consider changing out your kitchen hardware, because this will really improve the look and feel of your kitchen and give you a nice, refreshed look. Number 5 on the list is upgrading your kitchen counters. No, this is a touchy one because kitchen counters, granite, quartz, Korean, and other fine minerals, marble, can be very expensive. But guys, you do not have to go and buy a quartz countertop if you probably have an old granite that you don't like anymore. You don't like the granite because you've outgrown the look, or the color is no longer to your taste, or maybe you painted your kitchen cabinets and this color granite does not go with it. Guys, I'm here to tell you that you can epoxy your countertops and get a brand new countertop. You can even get a marble look countertop. You can epoxy your countertops and get a more modern look, which is more in line with the style that you are going for now in 2022, and more in line with the look and feel that you want in your kitchen. We did this epoxy countertop for our kitchen island. If you watched the video before, then you know that I wanted a Calcutta quartz countertop, but that was going to run us over $200,000. So for less than $20,000, we created our own kitchen island countertop out of a piece of plywood and some epoxy, and it turned out awesome. We have a whole video on how we did that, the lessons that we learned from it, and tips that we picked up along the way. There you have it, guys. 5 ways you can upgrade your kitchen without breaking the bank and have it looking like, something fresh and brand new out of a magazine. You can do this on a budget. You can do it a little at a time and still achieve the look that you want. These are things that we use in our kitchen, our own home, to improve the look of it. I wouldn't be telling you to do anything that I wouldn't do myself. So these are tips that are coming straight from the heart and the fingers and what we have done. So I hope this video really helped you guys, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Leave us a comment below. We try to respond to every single comment because we love our DIY family. And yes, thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend and see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.